Howdy, Jacob here. Today we're looking at Dlocal in the financial services industry, 4.7 billion market cap on 4.1 billion enterprise value, founded in 2016. That is a very new company. It operates as a payment processing platform worldwide. Okay, interesting. Growth is absolutely bonkers here. Return on invested capital and margins are both down a little bit, but I mean, still extraordinary. Like operating margin of 32% is crazy. 31% return on invested capital is crazy. 71% revenue growth is crazy. So big growth here. Balance sheet looks great. 248 million cash on hand with no long-term debt, no short-term debt. So a very healthy balance sheet. Cash flow gushes out cash. It takes nothing to run this business. You can see their capital expenditures are nothing. $2 million, $1 million, and they spew out triple over 100 million. That's pretty impressive. Their use of cash, a little bit of reinvestments back in just investments and tangibles, and then more recently buying back shares, paying down debt. Okay. Let's start making some assumptions here. This might be interesting. So I think that, just looking at here, 20% growth a year for the next, 20% a year for the next 7 years probably seems pretty reasonable. Margin side, let's do a wider range. Their free cash flow is so much greater than their earnings. That's interesting. Let's do 30, 35. Share change, maybe 1%, because a lot of the money is just reinvesting back in themselves. And maybe at the end of 7 years, are they still going to have a lot of growth out of them? Maybe. Well, this is after 7 years. So, wow. All right. So, I definitely have not done a revenue change at 20% a year yet. So, we're really going to have to look and see if that seems actually reasonable or not. But as of right now, it looks like a 33 PE for a company that, if they grow double digits a year every year for the next 10, 15, 20 years, this could be an absolutely fantastic company. Yeah. So I will work on doing a deeper dive on this company. I think that their revenue growth looks absolutely astounding, and they've only been around since 2016, so they're a very novice company. So that's going to be tough because they don't have a whole lot of data on them. It looks like they just went public in 21, so we're not going to have a whole lot of data, but everything that I've seen so far looks absolutely astounding. So I will have to do a further analysis on this company to see whether these assumptions, really make sense or not. But as of right now, it looks great. So I'll be doing a deeper dive on this. Hopefully fairly soon. And I hope everyone has a great rest of the day. Thank you.